Okay, so this is a tour of the W Hotel Shanghai. So you walk in, got a bathroom here. Whoa, bath, huge bath. And then, wow. And then toilet through here. Wow. Sink, mirror, hello. Then you come through here, got beds, got a load of water, speakers, wow. Not sure what these are, like giant nunchuck cushions. Got a mini bar, lots of treats. Oh, an espresso machine. Look, we've even got cocktail shaker, cocktail glasses, big, huge sofa, some sweeties. Look at this sofa, and then check out that view. Wow. So this is the spectacular room at the W Hotel, and it's pretty cool. Got this amazing view. This is it by the day time. Table and desk area here. We've got coffee machine, kettle, and espresso things. You can mix up your own cocktails. Got the television with the cool bulldog with the sunglasses. A bulldog or a Frenchie, I'm not sure. Beds with the cool, I'm not really sure what these are. I think these are just for decoration, but they're like big spongy things. And yeah. And then through here we've got the bathroom. Oh, we've got B&O speaker. Very fancy. And then I discovered this about the bathroom, so you can have a bit of privacy. Got a really nice bath there, but look, you can see through, and then you can't see through anymore. And then last but not least, another new discovery is this toilet. Say hello. Hello, toilet. You also get some Bliss toiletries. We've got a nice face wash and some body butter, and in the shower we've got the shampoo and stuff. Got some Bliss soap as well. Yeah, not too shabby.